Now it's time to add some design to our shop or online store, and as well as to HTML contents. But before sprinkling the CSS over HTML, we need to have a look at our website, that how it looks like. I'm going to click on this section and click on view your website in here. And as you can see that our website logo just appeared at the top left. And as well as after that we have the navigation menus, we have the main content and the bottom menu, that is the footer menu. Now what I need to do is I want to place this cues cutter just at the center. And after that I want all of these menus to be in a horizontal position, one by one after each other, and I want the black strips up above and below of these navigation menus. After that I want to have this main content in the center, and as well as this footer section. These all can be done with the help of CSS. So I'm going to get back in here. I'm just going to click on the CSS file style.css inside assets folder, as you can see that, and it is completely empty. Now I'm going to add some global CSS to it. So after adding the global CSS, it will be applied to each and every tag inside the body. As you can see that I have added some global CSS in here, just starting with the body with the font family Arial. And then each and every link or anchor tag will be actually of dark blue color, and the line under that link will be nothing. There will be no line under any link inside the body tag. And after that we have, if a person hovers a mouse over any link inside the body tag, that will convert to light blue, and the line height will be 1.45 pixel. Now I'm gonna add some main liquid content CSS in here for aligning the contents. As you can see that now I have added another piece of code in which we have the dot container class whose width is 960 pixel and the margin is 0 and auto, which means that 0 at the top, and then all other like bottom, left and right will be automatically adjusted with the margin section. And then we have font size of logo 60 pixel and its margin is 40 pixel at the top and 0 pixel at the right, and its text alignment will be at the center, and its color will be actually black, and it will be actually referring an anchoring tag. So in this way we could actually design our main logo file and as well as the contents inside the container. Remember one thing, that if we are talking about the 40 pixel margin and at the top and 0 pixel at the bottom, it is actually the experimented values, not the predefined or values that you might be considering, but these are the experimented values, and I have experimented a lot with them, and then after that I have set them up with the main contents. Now I'm going to add some CSS code for the main menu in here. As you can see that I have now added the main menu code in here, and all are referring to the main menu class which we have previously added inside the theme.liquid class or file. So the align will be at center of any value inside the main menu, that is the navigation menu. So all the text alignment will be at center of all the navigation menus text, and at the top of all the navigation menu there will be 1 pixel solid black strip, and at the bottom of every navigation menu there will be, of all navigation menus, there will be 1 pixel solid black strip too. And after that, for each list element of the navigation menu, the inline will be blocked, and as well as the padding will be 0 pixel and 20 pixel. And as I have said earlier, these are the experimented values, not the predefined values. And after that, for every link there will be a dark blue color with a font weight that will be bold, and when a person hovers a mouse over it, the color will change to light blue. Now I'm gonna add a last piece of code for the content and as well as for the last one, that is the footer section. As you can see that I have added the content code whose padding will be 30 pixel at the top and 0 pixel at the right section in here, And after that, I have added a few of the code for the footer menu as I've added for the man menu. And its align will be at center, font size will be 12 pixel, and at the bottom top there will be 1 pixel solid black strip, and the margin bottom will be 150 pixel. And remember that these margin bottom, padding 130, these all are experimented values. And at the bottom we have actually the link color that is dark blue. I'm going to save everything in here, get back and refresh the page. As you can see that now we have our Q-Cutter logo with a black color at the bottom, at the center of the page, and as well as we have the navigation menus in the horizontal position, one by one after another. And after that, if these are the dark blue color, and when I hover a mouse, these will change to light blue color, and so as this one too. And after that, we have actually the main content. In here we would actually make it to the center in a later on case, and these are actually the footer section menus in here. I'm just gonna actually minimize this, and this is now our content out the way. Now the last thing I want to add is a toolbar at the top, and that will be covering the whole wet section of this browser. I'm gonna get back in here. I'm going to change to the theme.liquid in here, and inside the body tag and outside of the container tag I'm going to add a piece of code with the div section. I have now added the div section, the two div sections, and inside that I have provided the toolbar available text in here. And as you can see that we have actually provided the class toolbar and the container clear fix. The container clear fix means that it will be clear of all of the limitations of the container. And I'm going to provide some CSS to the header toolbar so that there will be a dark background covering the whole browser width, and as well as the color of the toolbar will be changed to white so that it will be visible. So for that I'm going to change to style.css file in here, and now I'm going to provide the header toolbar class section. I have added class header toolbar code, that is the CSS code. Its background color is black, its normal color is white, its font size is 12 pixel, and its padding is 10 pixel at top and 0 pixel from rest on. So now I'm going to save everything in here, and after that I'm going to get back to the website and refresh the page. And as you can see that the toolbar has been added out there, as you can see that with a black background and a white color. So in this way we are now succeeded in adding the toolbar and as well as other sections for it, and providing different scenarios for in order to work it out for the different theme sections.